Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list we will search about the application of Truecaller. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget